Everyone thinks they're ready for their first Brazilian, until the spatula hits the skin. This is the brutal truth about the pain, the shock, and the 4-week result. Most people fail because they ignore the barrier. Without a shimmering oil layer, the wax grips the skin surface, not just the follicle. That is where the brutal pain begins. We use the vertical pull technique, a professional secret from top-tier spas. The wax must be laid in a thick, even lip to ensure a 100% grip with zero breakage. The wax is cooling. As it hardens, it shrink wraps every individual hair. This is the moment of peak anxiety. The silence in the room is heavy. 3, 2, 1. The pull must be parallel, not upward. If you lift the skin, you cause bruising. If you snap it back, you get perfection. Immediate hand pressure is the painkiller. By flooding the nerves with a new sensation, we block the pain signal before it ever reaches the brain. Is it brutal? For a second, yes. But the result is a month of glass smooth skin with zero redness. This is why the world is obsessed with the perfect wax.